So if you want a bike alarm that's loud enough to protect your BMW, get one of those. So it gives you like a warning, and then if you're still riding away with the bike, if we're in a store, we would probably be about 30 meters maybe. Wow, that is freaking loud. Alright, so this is a bicycle vibration displacement alarm. Vehicle anti-theft alarm, KS SF22R, 113 decibels. So it works like any sort of car remote. You can lock, you mount it underneath your car seat and nobody would even know that it's there. Alright, so they gave us a zip tie, a screwdriver, a couple of double adhesives that go on the back of here. So this is how we're going to mount it to the actual bike. I just be able to... Wow, that is freaking loud. So this is a lock. If somebody touches your bike, look what happens. Okay. Then you gotta press this button to unlock it. Wow, that is freaking crazy loud. Again, if I arm it, now I pick up. So it gives you like a warning, and then if you're still riding away with the bike, the range is 40 to 80 meters. If we're in a store, we would probably be about 30 meters maybe. So now if somebody's trying to steal your bike or anything else like your purse, you get a little warning sign, and then you get a siren. Whoa! That is loud. Even from here, as you can hear, that is pretty loud. That is louder than some of the car alarms. Okay, I'm gonna unlock it now. So in comparison, let's try my car alarm to see which one's louder. The bike alarm is way louder than even my BMW's alarm. It lasts from 6 to 10 months. 3 AAA batteries. It is waterproof IP55, so that's why you want to have it under your bike seat. You don't want to have it just kind of exposed on your frame. The range is 40 to 80 meters. Operating temperature minus 20 to 60 plus Celsius. Vehicle finder. No. So you press this and then it just chirps until you find the vehicle. Great for jet skis, bikes, tricycles. You can even stick this on your car and it can act like an alarm system. I'll put this here and just gently, like that. Alright. We're going to steal my car and see if it actually works. Arm. Okay, I heard it. So now if we drive away, basically, it should start beeping. If you want a bike alarm that's loud enough to protect your BMW, get one of those. As you can see, this little guy is almost twice as loud as my BMW's auto alarm.